everyone, my name is Diane. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Okay, so in this video I want to show you the update on my lavender in the greenhouse. And see, it's starting to bloom right here, but I also want to show you this. Pretty cool. So see this lavender plant right here, it's really big, it's really huge. And then you have the lavender, the roses right here. You see how the lavender does not like the roses, and that happens also with tomato and cucumber plants. They don't like each other, so that's what the lavender is doing. It's actually growing away from the roses. So I'm going to harvest all my roses, and I make a lot of skincare products with those roses, and also sugars and things like that. So I just wanted to show you real quick on the update of the lavender in the greenhouse. And there's a lot of bees. I am going to have to be careful with that. So right here I have a lot planted in the greenhouse. So this is the one that is going to split, and see that right here, it's splitting. So what I'm going to do is after it's done blooming, because this is a humongous plant, it's probably at least maybe 4 or 5 feet wide. So what I'm going to do is just snip a few of these and transplant them. I did one last year and it did succeed, so it's pretty nice. But this is how big it is. It's hard to actually get a visual. It's easier to see in person, but I know you're not here. So this one is starting to bloom. It's a perfect time to actually harvest it. So the blooms are nice and small, and so that's what I'll be doing probably this week. So I have a few of them. This one here is a great one for the wands, and that's why I want to save it. So let me see. I'm trying to show you more out. That's the one that's split. Look how bad it is. Okay, let me back up. See if I can. Sorry for the wobbliness, but this is how big it is. So these are the lavender plants. They're getting ready to be harvested. This is another one here. It's beautiful. It's ready to be harvested. I just wanted to show you the update. The chickens want to come in my greenhouse, and I don't like them in here because, you know, I have a lot of vegetables they would love to chomp on. These are some carnations. That's the update on the lavender plants in the greenhouse.
Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have a comment or question, please leave it in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, the next video to watch is... Alright, I will see you next week. Have a great week. Bye for now.